What if tomorrow morning the sun simply vanished? No explosion, no warning, no dramatic final flare. Just gone. At first, you might not even notice, because for about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, life on Earth would feel completely normal. Sunlight would still be shining. The sky would still be blue. Birds would still be flying. And that's the first terrifying truth. We are always looking into the past. The light you see from the sun left it over 8 minutes ago. So if it disappeared right now, we wouldn't know immediately. But when those final photons reach Earth, everything changes. Instantly. The sky would go black. Not like nighttime. Not like a cloudy day. A deep, cosmic black, filled with stars you've never seen before. Even during what should be daytime, the Milky Way would stretch across the sky in full detail. And then, the cold begins. Without the sun, Earth loses its only major heat source. Within hours, temperatures would start to drop rapidly. Within days, the global average temperature would fall below freezing. Oceans wouldn't freeze overnight, but the surface would begin forming ice, slowly thickening over time. Within a week, the average temperature could drop below 17 degrees. Within a year, it could reach 73 degrees. And it wouldn't stop there. Eventually, Earth would stabilize around 240 degrees, colder than most places in the solar system today. But the cold is only part of the story, because the moment the sun disappears, gravity disappears with it. And that changes everything about our motion through space. Right now, Earth is locked in orbit around the sun, moving at about 107,000 kilometers per hour. But remove the sun, and Earth no longer has anything to orbit. Instead of circling, we would shoot off into space in a straight line. A frozen, dark world, drifting endlessly through the cosmos. The entire solar system would unravel. Planets would abandon their orbits. Asteroids would scatter. Moons might escape their planets. It would become a chaotic swarm of drifting worlds. Now imagine standing on Earth during this. No sunrise, no sunset, just permanent night. But humans are adaptable, right? At first, maybe. Cities would light up artificially. Power grids would struggle but continue for a while. But here's the problem. Almost all life on Earth depends on sunlight. Plants would stop photosynthesis immediately. Within days, most plants would begin to die. And once plants die, the entire food chain begins to collapse. Herbivores starve first, then carnivores, then everything else. Even the oxygen levels in the atmosphere would slowly begin to drop over time. Humanity would turn underground. Geothermal energy, nuclear power, artificial ecosystems, these would become our last hope. Deep underground bunkers could, in theory, sustain small populations. Near hydrothermal vents in the ocean, some forms of life might survive. Because these ecosystems don't rely on sunlight, they rely on Earth's internal heat. But for most life on the surface, extinction would be inevitable. Now here's something even more unsettling. Earth wouldn't just freeze on the outside. The atmosphere itself would begin to collapse. Gases like nitrogen and oxygen would eventually liquefy and freeze, falling to the surface as snow. Imagine air turning into ice. The sky itself disappearing, leaving behind a silent, frozen rock, drifting through infinite darkness. But could humanity survive long-term? Possibly, in very small numbers. If we built self-sustaining underground habitats, powered by nuclear fusion or geothermal heat, we could create artificial environments, artificial sunlight, artificial agriculture, a completely man-made biosphere. But even then, survival wouldn't be easy. Psychologically, the absence of the sun would be devastating. No natural light, no sense of time, no connection to the sky, just endless darkness. And yet, There's one more twist. Even without the sun, Earth wouldn't be completely alone. The stars would still shine, distant galaxies glowing faintly in the sky. In fact, the night sky would be more beautiful than ever before, but also more terrifying. Because for the first time, humanity would truly understand how small and how isolated we really are. A single planet, no star, drifting endlessly. So, what would you do if tomorrow the sun didn't rise? Would you even notice in those first 8 minutes? Or would everything you know already be over before you realized it began? The universe doesn't need explosions to end worlds. Sometimes, it just needs silence. If you enjoyed exploring this scenario, you're already thinking like a true cosmic observer. Stay curious. Stay questioning. Because the universe still has far more terrifying and fascinating possibilities waiting. This is Space Know-How, exploring the unknown, one question at a time.